Hello. My name is Miri Lenov. I am an email copywriter, and I'm so happy to be here because I want to give you some tips. And it's about your emails. And when somebody opts into your website, whether it's a newsletter, whether it's a freebie that you're giving away, it is awesome to be able to say thank you. It's awesome to throw the confetti and say, hello, thank you for being here. Thank you for giving me your email. Thank you for giving me the permission to email you. So how do you do this, right? Well, there's a series of 6 to 8 emails that you can use after somebody opts into your website or downloads your lead magnet, whatever it is that people have done to you, right? 6 to 8 emails, sometimes maybe 9 or 10, depending on how much stuff you want to send out. So I'm going to go explain one by one so that you understand what you can do and the types of emails that you can send. All right, so let's get to it. The first email that you want to send out is thank you for subscribing. Of course, throw the confetti in their face and be like, hey, thank you so much. You're awesome. I love that you want to get my information, but you really want to make it a party for them, right? And obviously, if they opted in to get your lead magnet, you want to give them the lead magnet in this email. All right, number 2, did you get this? So you want to ask for a reply. And this email is great because you just have to copy and paste email number 1 and ask for a reply. You want to make sure that they've received the content and this is the right email address that they will like to use, right? So it really helps because you get it whitelisted in the subscriber's inbox. It's very important. This way, all of your emails will go through and will not be in the spam or the inbox or the promotions tab. It will be in the inbox. Number 3, case studies and really examples of what you've done, the products, the services that you have. You want to show what you're about and you want to show the transformation that people have gone through with the subscribers that you have. You want to really show and not just tell, really. You want to explain what the promise is in your offers. It starts to kind of get their feet wet in a way in understanding what you're about. Number 4, you can use a story-based email and really this is just to get to know you and from a different type of angle. Allowing this is really showing that you're human, that you really want to connect person to person, and you're just than just a brand, right? Now, number 5, it's a small offer. And the reason for this is to get your subscribers to know what you have to offer. This is really a way to show right away that you'll be emailing them and you will be making offers to your subscribers. And that way they won't be offended. They won't be taken back when they get an offer on an email from you in the future. You're really training them right away to get to know you and to know that, yes, you want to get to know what are their frustrations, but you're also going to be offering products or services that are going to help them in the long run. Number 6, and this email is really asking for advice and trying to have a two-way conversation. And again, it's getting to know them, but you're specifically asking about their biggest problems or what are some of the biggest issues that they're facing with right now. And allows you to tailor the content to them and give you insights about what they are feeling or what they need. It really allows you to, again, get whitelisted if they haven't already replied, because you're going to be writing back to them and you're going to really show trust between your email service provider and your subscribers inbox. So it really allows you to get more information about them, but also to have that conversation going. And then email 7 and email 8 are very similar because these are ideas that you might have taken from email 6, what people said, and you write emails about their specific struggles. Since this is an autoresponder sequence, this allows you to change it up from time to time and test what types of emails work best with your audience. So these can be types of test emails and see what works. You can do another case study here. You can offer something else or the same thing and call it a 24-hour sale that you're having. Or you can have a Q&A in these emails. Now, email 9 and 10 really are optional. There's a lot of information that you've already given them within a 10 to 12 day period because you don't want to overwhelm them too much right from the beginning, but you do want to let them know that you're going to be emailing them and you will be emailing them regularly. So it really trains your subscribers to get to know you, to know what you have to offer. So with these 8 emails, you have a lot of information that you're giving them. You're really getting to know them, but they're also getting to know you in a very special way. You have an offer in there so you can have some sales coming in right away from your welcome sequence. You would be surprised that there's a lot of business owners that are not taking advantage of a welcome sequence. So if you're one of them, let me know. Thank you for watching. I would love to help you. And for more information, you can email me or you can send me a message here. I'd love to help you with whether it's your autoresponder sequence or your flows, as people sometimes call them, or automations, or just email marketing in general. My name is Miri Lenoff again, and thank you so much for watching. Have a good rest of your day, and I will speak to you another time. Take care. Bye-bye.